Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to go over 3 different ways to get Microsoft Excel for free. Now you can use one of these ways or you can use all 3 of these ways. Personally, I like to use all 3 options. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description. So my first option is to go to www.office.com. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you'll be prompted over here to create a Microsoft account. If you already have one, you can just hit this sign in button right here. So I'm going to go through the process of signing in and just hit sign in. And I'm going to log in. And you might get the 2-factor authentication. Go ahead and go through that. And then you will be brought to the home page of office.com. So as you can see up the side, there are several apps here available to you. So I'm just going to click on the one for Excel. And then I'm going to start a blank workbook. And now I can begin using Microsoft Excel for free. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. My second option is to use the Excel app available in the Microsoft Store. So if I go down here to my search bar in Windows and I type in Store, I will see the Microsoft Store up here. So if I click on that, and up here in the search bar, I'm just going to type Excel and hit enter. And I'm going to click Excel Mobile right here. And then I'm going to hit the Get button, and this will install on my PC. And then you'll have a version of Excel on your PC that you can access when you are not connected to the internet. So that's the difference between using the Office.com version and this version right here that will load right onto your PC. Now the third way that I can get Excel for free is if I go to my phone and I go into the App Store, or if you're using a Droid, you can go into the Google Store there, and I go to search. I'm going to search for Excel. And right here, you can see that there's a version of Microsoft Excel available. I already have it installed, so it says open, but if you don't have it installed, it's just going to say get. So just click the Get button, and you can watch a download to your phone. And then this is what it looks like. Once I'm in Excel, I can see any recent workbooks that I have created, but I can also go here to this Add button, and I can start a blank workbook right here. And I can start using Excel inside of the app on my phone. Now, one thing to keep in mind that's really great between the online version, the desktop version, and the mobile version is that if I save my files to OneDrive, then I can access this file not only on my phone, but I can also access it on my desktop version and the Office.com version. So that's a way to be able to share my file no matter what platform I am using. So hopefully that gives you a good introduction to some of the options that you have available for using Microsoft Excel for free. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. So thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.